Luke here from the Placester team, and I am thrilled to have you with us. I will introduce a couple of things about our platform to start you on the road to your best experience with Placester. After you close this window, you will be guided with prompts through several different tabs in order to help you create your very first website. To make sure it gets live and available for your customers as quickly as possible, it is very important to make sure you request an IDX integration and add your NRDS ID number. With your IDX integration sorted out, your Placester website can be launched quickly and easily, and your listings can be synced with your MLS right away. Now, all the important events happening on your account are presented in the notification tab, so be sure to check it out. Under the question mark icon, you will find tabs that will help you understand Placester and help you use all its various features. Feel free to browse our knowledge base or watch the tutorial videos, where I take you step by step through the process of customizing a website and so much more. If at any point along the way you think of a feature that you think would be a great addition to Placester, let us know.